Well, hi everybody, it's Bruce Fade and
Steve Tinkham
with Catalyst Lending, and we're here to bring you your Friday rate update. And we get this question all the time, don't we? What are rates at? And you know what we try to explain to people is that there are so many different programs. We've got USDA, which is rural housing financing, and we've got VA, which is the veterans financing, and both of those are 100% programs. And then you get into Home Path, and you get into FHA and conventional, and there's so many different programs.
It's not an easy answer. I just love those commercials. Hey, call us today for your 3% rate. If you're paying more than 4%, call us today.
Yeah,
we pay your principal first, and so
lots of gimmicks when it comes to the rates, and the bottom line for us is we try to give you up-to-date information. We're hovering on a 30-year fixed, around 5%, maybe a hair under. We're hovering around 4.5% on a 15-year. And the reason is because it all depends on that loan amount, it depends on your FICO score, and it depends on the loan to value. So if you're borrowing 95% of the appraised value versus 65% of the appraised value, it makes a difference in your rate, as well as the loan amount. So anyway, just some heads up on that. We'd love to get that information out. Also, I know you wanted to touch a little bit on the QRM and kind of what was going on there.
You probably ask yourself, what's QRM? Well, that stands for Quantitative Risk Management, and it's a program that's been around since, I just did some research on it, since the mid-'80s.
Is that right?
And they're proposing, and who knows what will happen in this crazy world, but they're proposing that if there's any delinquency on a borrower at all, that they got to have at least 20% down payment.
Yeah.
So let's just stop right there. Who doesn't have anything negative on their credit history? Very few. So basically everybody has to have 20% down, I guess is what they're saying, unless the bank itself that's lending the money takes a 5% stake in the loan for the lifetime of the loan, which, folks, that's just not going to happen.
It's not going to happen.
So it's just something that's being bantied about. Once again, don't know what will come out of it, but just want to make you aware of it. And it's concerning the National Association of Realtors enough that they've just sent out a letter kind of firing back on that, because they understand what kind of damage this would do to the housing market if everybody had 20% down. So
it's a big deal. There's a lot of things out there right now that seem to be a big deal. They're talking about the interest deduction on home loans being eliminated. I mean, there's a million different things that are going around that people are trying to discuss. And the bottom line is we'll bring you all the information as we get it and as it gets approved, because we don't like to bring up all the hypotheticals, but we do like to make you aware that NAR, the Association for Realtors, is a great organization, and they're generally looking out for the realtors and the lenders, and so we support them 100%. So,
and we'll link to that QRM website, so you can just take a look around and see what you think about it. So
yeah, but hopefully you like this information. You find it helpful. Please forward it on to any of your coworkers, any other realtors that you know, and also we really ask that you subscribe, because we don't want to be a bother, but we want to get out information that might help you in your business. Speaking of that, if there's anything that Steve or myself can do to help you in your business, we like to do realtor tours. We like to do anything that we can to co-market your business and help you improve your business, because it helps improve ours. So,
in fact, I got an idea. Once you pick up the phone, call us, and let's go to lunch and talk about some marketing ideas, because between yourself and us, I'm sure we could come up with some unique and new and fresh ideas that maybe help us both. So
yeah, awesome.
So call us. And
contact me is right up there for myself, and Steve's as well.
Yeah. So you guys have a great week, and we'll talk to you later.
Take care.
Hey, real quick, this is a last-second edit to this video, but we're going to include another link here about the latest article about reducing or eliminating the home mortgage interest. So I think you'd find it interesting, so I just want you to check it out. Just want to throw that in here real quick at the end. So check it out. It'll be linked down below. Thanks a lot.
You can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this.